Let's take a quick look at the main sections of the Vibe 9 platform. First is Planner. Planner gives you a ready-to-paste prompt that you can use when starting a new project in tools like Anti-Gravity or Cursor. It helps you begin with a more production-ready setup from day one. Next is Arena. This is where you connect GitHub, Netlify, and Supabase. You can also choose a project from GitHub and deploy it here. Arena is the core part of Vibe 9 because this is where your project gets ready to go live. Then we have Projects. This section shows the projects you have deployed, along with useful project details. You can also see the Netlify sites that are currently live on your account. Next is the Dashboard. Here you can view your activity and see how many deployments you have completed. It gives you a simple overview of your usage and progress. Finally, there is Settings. In Settings, you can disconnect GitHub, add your Supabase keys manually, or delete your account. That's the platform. Vibe 9 is built to keep things simple while helping you go from prototype to production. Watch the next video to learn how to sign up and use Vibe 9 platform.